Music Land!
Oh, do you know the Muffin Man, who helps the earth as best he can? He sorts his trash and makes it right, recycling every day and night. The paper goes into the blue bin, plastic and glass, they all fit in. The cans and bottles are sorted too. For a cleaner world, he knows what to do. The Muffin Man, so kind and bright, recycles everything in sight. From morning till the end of day, he's helping the earth in every way. So when you see the Muffin Man, join him and do what you can. Recycle, reduce, and reuse with cheer. Together we'll make the planet clear. The Muffin Man, so kind and bright, recycles everything in sight. From morning till the end of day, he's helping the earth in every way. So when you see the Muffin Man, join him and do what you can. Recycle, reduce, and reuse with cheer. Together we'll make the planet clear. So when you see the Muffin Man, join him and do what you can. Recycle, reduce, and reuse with cheer. Together we'll make the planet clear. Five little stars up in the sky, twinkling brightly as they fly. One made a wish so full of hope, and with a sparkle began to cope. Four little stars shining so bright, each with a wish taking flight. They dreamed of joy, of love and peace, and their dreams would never cease. Three little stars so full of grace, wishing for kindness all over the place. They twinkled and shimmered high above, spreading warmth, joy and love. Two little stars glowing with light made wishes for hearts that are right. Their dreams of happiness came true in every heart, in me and you. One little star shining alone, wish for the world to be fully grown. A wish for peace for all to see, that love and kindness set us free. Little Miss Muffet sat on her mat, eating a healthy snack just like that. With fruits and veggies so fresh and bright, she smiled and felt oh so right. Eat your green, she said with glee, carrots, peas, and broccoli. A crunchy apple, a juicy pear, healthy foods beyond compare. Little Miss Muffet knew it well, eating healthy makes you feel swell. So she munches on, feeling strong, with healthy snacks all day long. Your green, she said with glee, carrots, peas, and broccoli. A crunchy apple, a juicy pear. Healthy foods beyond compare. None on this muffet, not wow. Eating healthy makes you feel swell. So she munches on, feeling strong, with healthy snacks all day long. Wow! London Bridge is staying clean, keeping tidy, bright and green. With every step and every hand, we'll protect this lovely land. Pick up litter, keep it neat. Recycled paper, glass and street. London Bridge will shine today. We'll make the world a better way. London Bridge is staying bright, sparkling clean with pure delight. Hand in hand we work as one, to keep our earth safe and have some fun. London Bridge is shining bright, together we'll keep it light. With every toss and every smile, we'll care for Earth and go the extra mile. We'll care for Earth and go the extra mile. We'll care for Earth and go the extra mile. Ooh. 5 little bugs in the bin, helping the earth, where to begin? One crawled out to sort some glass. Now there are 4 doing their task. 4 little bugs with work to do. One found plastic and sorted it too. Off it went to help recycle more. Now there are 3 bugs left to explore. 3 little bugs, what will they find? One found paper to help mankind. Into the bin it flew with glee. Now there are 2 bugs, happy as can be. 2 little bugs, sorting with pride. One found metal and pushed it aside. It joined the others, doing what's right. Now there's just 1 bug left in sight. One little bug, feeling so grand, cleared the bin with a helping hand. The earth is cleaner, thanks to the crew. 5 little bugs, their work is through. There was a dog named Bingo, a friendly pup, you know, with a wagging tail and joyful bark. He brightened days from dawn till dark. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. Bingo was his name, oh. He loved to play, run and chase, a happy dog full of grace. Bingo loved to help his friends, a loyal pup until the end. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. Bingo was his name, oh. He shared his toys, he shared his ball. Bingo's kindness was for all. With every woof and every cheer, he spread love far